The moment you mix this ingredient with water, dirt stops sticking to your windows. It sounds unbelievable, but it really works. Dusty and greasy windows block a surprising amount of natural sunlight from entering your home. Even a perfectly tidy room can look neglected when the glass is cloudy and stained. Light dirt, fingerprints, and smudges can usually be removed quickly with warm water and dish soap. However, this effect doesn't last long, and before you know it, the windows start looking dirty again. If you want your windows to stay clear for much longer, resist fogging, and avoid fingerprints, there's a simple solution you can find close to home. For just a few dollars, you can buy pharmaceutical-grade glycerin at your local pharmacy, and it will completely change how you clean your windows. When glycerin is added to water and applied to glass, it creates a thin, invisible protective layer that makes it harder for dust and grime to settle on the surface. But we can make this mixture even more effective by adding one more ingredient. Add 1 tablespoon of pharmaceutical glycerin to 1 liter of warm water. Then pour in 100 milliliters of white vinegar and mix everything well. Transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Friends, share this video with others so they can benefit too. Thank you. This combination forms a protective coating on the glass, while the vinegar breaks down grease and helps disinfect the surface. The result is windows that shine brighter than ever and stay cleaner for much longer. Clean your windows with this solution and enjoy long-lasting clarity and shine. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.